Hey guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this rainbow halo eye look. This look is inspired by Mitchell on Instagram. You should go check him out if you haven't already. I'll pop his link down below. His looks are absolutely amazing and I've been dying to try one of them, so I thought I'd give this one a go and show you guys how to do it as well. I created this look using my Morphe 35b palette and also my Lime Crime Venus XL2 palette. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. Okay, so I've got my face and my eyebrows done. I've also applied some concealer to my eyelids to be my eyeshadow base. We're going to be starting off with the Morphe 35b palette and taking this blue shade here. I'm popping this on the small pencil brush by NYX and I'm just applying this to the crease and the inner half of my eye. Now we've done that, we're going to do the same thing on the outer half of the eye, this time using the darkest purple shade here. And I have two of these pencil brushes, so I'll be using the same brush, but a different one. Now I'm going to be using those same two brushes and just bringing the colour onto the eyelid a little bit. So with the purple it'll just be on the outer third and with the blue just on the inner third. Now we're going to be blending out the blue a little bit. So taking this bright blue shade here and I'm putting it on this small domed crease brush. I don't want it to be too big because we just want the colour to be concentrated on the edges of what we've already done. Now I'm going to be taking this small eyeshadow brush and just using this to blend it out even more so we don't have any harsh lines in there. Okay, doing the same on the purple half of the eye, except this time we'll be using two colours to blend it out because there's a bit more space there. So the first colour we'll be using is this salmon-y shade here. Popping this on a different small domed brush and just doing the same, applying it to the edge of the purple. Next I'm going to be taking this soft fluffy brush and I'm going to be using it with this yellow shade here, and I'm just going to lightly tap a little bit of colour on and use this to blend out the orange, staying away from the purple because we'll use a different brush to blend that. I'm also going to be going back in with that same pencil brush I was using before and using that to help blend the two colours together. Now I'm going to go back with the same pencil brush that we used for the purple and just using that to blend the purple in with the salmon. Taking care to not blend it too much because we still want to be able to see the three colours gradually blend into each other. I'm also taking the brush that I used for the salmon colour and just applying some more salmon to help it blend as well. Now that the crease colours are pretty much finished on the top of the eye, I'm going to start creating a bit of a spotlight shape in the middle of the eyelid. So to do that, I'm using my favourite concealer, Kat Von D Lock It Concealer in the shade Light Warm 3, and taking that on my small flat concealer brush by NYX. Okay, now I've done that, I'm leaving the concealer wet and I'm going to switch over to my Lime Crime Venus XL2 palette, going in with this shade here, which is called Radiant, and I'm popping it on this small eyeshadow brush, and I'm just applying this to the center of the spotlight that I've created, leaving a small gap on each side to blend it out with some other colors. Okay, now I've done that on both of my eyes, I'm going to start blending the spotlight into the crease colours. So taking the same brush I was using before, dipping it into the same blue that I was using to blend out the darker shade, and just using that to help blend in the navy blue into the centre of the eye. Now to do the same on the other side using the salmon and the yellow. So I'm first going to start off with using the salmon to blend it in, and then I'm just going to add the tiniest touch of yellow to blend it even further. Okay, so that's the top of the eyes done. Now I'm going to be moving to underneath the eyes. We'll be using the same colours as we have on the top. So starting with the dark purple and the dark blue, and then we're going to be adding in those other lighter shades to blend it out. Now that the lash line is nice and smoked out, I'm going to be using a highlight in the tear duct. So I'm going to be using my Lime Crime Mermaids highlight, and I'm using this shade here called Mermaid, and just popping this on another small eyeshadow brush. For my cheekbone highlight, I'm going to be using the same palette, taking this middle shade, which is called Pearl, and popping it on this duo fiber brush. Now just a couple of coats of mascara, so I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. For my lips, I'm going to be keeping it simple and just using a gloss. So I'm going to be using my Wet Cherry Gloss by Lime Crime. This is in the shade Cherry Slime. Next, I'll just be applying some lashes. So I'm going to be using these XO Beauty lashes in the style Exotic. I'm just going to pop these on off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss any videos from me. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.